Hello, I'm back in the kitchen. I was doom scrolling last weekend and 3 food videos piqued my interest. And last time one of those piqued my interest, I tried it out. It was the viral apple chocolate cake where you put an apple in the blender with some cocoa powder and they're like, oh my god, it tastes like chocolate cake. And I am a hoe for chocolate cake, so I tried it and it was disgusting, but I didn't film it. But this time I'm gonna try these recipes and film them for you so that you can see with me that everything on the internet is a lie. The first video, I will put them down in the description and I'll put them tags on the video. But the first one was someone made caviar from chia seeds and that tickled my interest. So I definitely want to try that. The second was air fried crab sticks that looked crispy, and I don't know, I like crispy things. I think I was a little high when I saw this, so everything looked quite interesting. And the third one was how sweet potato and kimchi are a superior combination. I don't really like raw kimchi. I prefer cooked kimchi. I think kimchi kind of smells like armpits to me, and I have a very sensitive sense of smell. So, yeah. Come along while I try and do this. Also, I have my tea ready to be forgotten, as happens on every video. I need to find the videos first. Oh crap, my phone's charging. It's okay. I'm gonna make these and let you know how it goes. The video starts with her shredding like half a seaweed. Seaweed. I don't know the exact amount, so also I've never had the patience to actually like follow amount instructions. They're always approximate, always eyeball them. So here we go. And I assume this is what gives it this sea taste. Now, in Norway, there's a lot of different forms of caviar. You can get it in a tube, and you can get like salmon egg roe, is that what it's called? And you can get probably like the schmancy caviar. I don't know where. I have tasted it years ago. It just tastes like seawater, if I remember correctly, which I'm not mad at. So if it tastes anything like seawater, I'll be impressed. That's disgusting, my bad. That turned out really funny. Since it's super light, it all just flew up as it was being blended, but it looks like it worked, so here we go. The sound of this Ninja blender really makes me uncomfy because I'm touched by the autism slightly, neurodivergent for sure, and anything too loud just makes me want to crawl out of my skin. Also, my toxic trait is using containers that probably look too small, but hoping to God it'll be big enough. Okay, let's say like 2 tablespoons of chia. Two small tablespoons, no, 1.5. 1.5, we can always adjust. You can always adjust. Olive oil, I have olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1. This is super good, fruity olive oil. And then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of the world's tastiest water. I used to be obsessed with vegan food, trying to taste like proteins and stuff, like 5-10 years ago. And so I always love trying these and seeing how they actually taste. I think it started with those like carrot hot dogs. And if this is good, this will be my go-to snack because chia seeds have a lot of fiber. And you know, I'm always up for a good poop. What got me into trying these is the low barrier for entrance to do this, because this one is literally just peeling some crab sticks, throwing some vegetable oil on it and putting it in the air fryer. And I can get behind that. I can. I don't love having fishy fingers though. And all it is just some veggie oil and some crab sticks. I don't want to toss it too much because it'll fully fall apart. You like my Korean chopsticks? Me too. It's crazy what we can do nowadays with our cameras at home. This is looking crispy AF. Put it in for 17 minutes on 180 per instructions. This feels crispy. I love it when the internet doesn't lie. Here's a cracker for the baby. Better make me some money, ho. It smells bad. It looks great. It doesn't smell bad. Does it smell bad?
Doesn't smell like much.
You don't have my nose. That is satisfying. And it's really tasty.
What is it?
It's lobnob in the air fryer. What do you think? Is this our protein for tonight? This kind of slaps.
It's kind of good and kind of strange.
But like as a snack?
The crunchy parts are really good. The soft parts are a little strange.
Oh. Would you give that? Oh, that's out of 10. Impressive. You a pussy? So you're strong and flexible? Am I starting or you? You starting? You have no idea what you're eating, which is even more fun.
That tastes like soy sauce. It's kind of sour.
Really? Interesting.
I don't know about this one. This is, oh yeah, seaweed and soy sauce. And
Damn.
sesame seeds.
Not sesame seeds.
Really? Okay, those two are very dominant, I find. But it's also very like snot consistency.
Yeah.
It's a little bit disgusting.
That's chia seeds.
All right, that makes sense.
And what do you think it's meant to imitate? Caviar.
That's people's caviar. Why do you need to imitate caviar?
I like it. It doesn't taste like caviar, but I can get a hint of the sea. I like it. It's a good snack. I would bring this to a party where there are vegetarians, I think. But I would have to like explain in order to not get the reaction that I got from my boyfriend. It doesn't taste like fish eggs because they don't burst in your mouth. I would definitely snack on this. I love soy sauce. I love olive oil. I don't mind the consistency. This is a good, healthy snack, in my opinion, and very easy to make. Will I make it again? Probably not. Maybe. Now, how is it with one of these bad boys on top of here? Yep. That's good. Taste test is figuring out if sweet potato and kimchi are a match made in heaven. Kimchi. Kimchi.
Do you know what it is?
It's kimchi and sweet potato.
It's very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little strange with the hot and cold, but very nice.
Color me impressed. We got a very nice.
I love it. It's just delicious. Right? Or no?
That slaps.
You don't like
I don't
raw
like
kimchi?
raw kimchi, no. It smells too much like armpits. I don't know if that's offensive to say, but it smells too much like armpits when it's fresh. And my silly little nose can't get over that.
Smells so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Do you know that taste this too, no?
A sweet potato?
Yeah.
Sweet potato for the baby? She does not like cutlery. There. No kimchi for her because there's garlic. Is it hot?
Be scared of the camera.
The camera is very scary.
It's new.
I mean, it's the size of her brain, so.
I think her brain is that big.
In conclusion, try new things. It's fun. What's the worst that could happen? Diarrhea? Happens to everyone. I haven't made any of these again since I made this, but I should really have the sweet potato and kimchi again because that was really good and so easy. What was nice about all of this is how easy it was to make, and it was just a little fun activity to cut through the monotony of life. So yeah, get some kimchi, have a sweet potato, make some fake caviar. Thanks for watching. Bye.